Alright, this is my bitmoji tag program. We have the X and Y arrays that determine this for now are just the starting X and Y positions, and then more values get appended to them later. This controls how many bitmojis are there on the screen. Ah, this just stores values for colors, which I really only use for the background, so that doesn't really matter. And then bitmoji speeds, which is appended later on once they go off the screen, and it gives them a random speed of either 1 or 2, so it's increasing 1 or 2 pixels per um, every time, or per second, and that changes whenever they go off the screen. Then we have this, all this draws the bitmoji, and farther in, excuse me, we have the actual function that draws them. So it's the Y positions, it pushes in a random value into the array between 0 and 350, and it does this for as long as I is less than the number of bitmojis. So it's just going to keep going on because I is always increasing. The number of bitmojis is also always increasing, but number of bitmojis also starts at 0 while and so does I. So just it keeps going for as many bitmojis, or it keeps going for as many numbers are in the array to draw the bitmojis. And then I also have it sets their speed between random 1 or 2. Then the big hitter is this function. Oh, I'm dying. So this is the one that actually draws in the bitmojis on the screen, and then has their X increasing by 1, just so they keep going across the board. And then this is the function, or the part of the function, that if they hit the edge of the board, which is when their X hits 400, they go all the way around and they end back up at the start. You'll see he goes right over there. And then because it's a 350 to 350, and the random number that gets added to the list, they start like right around here because they start 50 pixels out. And then this is the tag portion of it, where if the mouse is clicked on the bitmoji, it goes to a position where you can no longer see it. And I also, just to make it easier for when I was doing this, I added a little cursor, or a little circle on my cursor that shows me where it is. And this is also the 20 by, it has a diameter of 20, so it follows the regulations and make sure it's working. And then it is, when you click on them, they go away. It's kind of weird because the circle isn't exactly at where the mouse is, but when you click